So our sum is 7/12. And that is the butterfly method.
All right, let's see if you were paying attention. I've got 3 examples up here. So let's look at 3/7 plus 2/5. Let's draw the butterfly. You guys are going to get good at butterflies by the end of the day.
Already good.
Okay. Somebody tell me what I can do. Go ahead, James.
Well, you could do 7 times 5.
And what do I get there?
35.
35. What can I do next? Amy?
5
And get? 15. Marker's going out. Felicia?
You do 7 times 2, you get 14.
I get 14. All right. What is this number now?
35.
What is it going to be? It's going to be the denominator. Yes, you're right. That is 35. Okay. What are we going to do with these 2 numbers? Add them because we're adding these fractions. What is 15 plus 14?
29.
Okay, is that simplified?
No.
No? Yes? No?
Can anything go into 29? Anything that you can think of?
No.
Nothing goes into 29. It's called a prime number. Nothing goes into 29 evenly, so we're stuck right there.
All right.
Hey, before she goes any further, another thing that we can notice with the butterfly method, we've spent the last couple days covering how to tell which fraction is bigger just by looking at 3/7 and 2/5. Can you tell me which one's bigger?
3/7.
3/7, 2/5. Okay, we've got some mixed answers. Here's a quick, easy way to tell. Here's a quick, easy way to tell. When we do the butterfly method, these 2 numbers will tell us, okay, which number of these is bigger. 15, yeah, 15 is bigger, so we know that fraction is bigger. And they're really close, 15 and 14. But we know that 3/7 is bigger than 2/5 because of the numbers up here on the inside. Okay, let's go ahead and do this one right here. Anybody want to come up and draw my butterfly for me? Arthur? If you had them on already, then it wouldn't take so long. Those are pretty wings. Wonderful. Thank you.
It's an invisible
Okay.
butterfly.
Kind of hard to see because maybe the marker's going bad a little bit, but let's go through and fill in some of our blanks, and we will use blue. Okay, what do we want to do first? Raise your hand. Somebody tell me. What do we want to do first? Sage?
6 times 4 equals 24.
Okay, so Sage says we want to do 6 times 4 first. Do we have to do that first?
No.
No.
No, you don't have to. You can do any of the multiplication in any order that you want, okay? So we'll do 6 times 4 first, which is what, Sage?
24.
Thank you. All right, anybody else? Raise your hand. What do we do next? James?
4 times 5 and it's 20.
4 times 5. Which side do I write it on? Left or right? Left, yeah. We're going to write it towards the numerator. So 20 will go right up here. What about next? Leandra? She's so loud, I can't even hear what else is going on. 6 times 1, she said, which is what? 6, thank you. 6. All right, what's my next step? Juwan, what's my next step? What do you think?
Subtract 20 and 6.
Nice. And he said subtract because there's a subtraction sign right here. Make sure you pay attention to what that sign is. Plus, we're obviously adding, okay? Subtracting sign right here. We're subtracting on top. 20 minus 6, what would I get?
14.
14, thank you. 14, what's my denominator? 24, yeah, don't forget this little guy down here, 24. Can that be reduced?
Yes.
Yes. No.
Yes.
Yes, it can. How do I know that quickly by looking at it?
Because there's even numbers.
Yeah, they're both even numbers, thank you. So they're both even, so we know we can divide it by what? 2, if they're both even. 14 is divisible by 7, but 24 is not. So let's divide by 2 and see what we get. What would I get on the top?
7.
7, and the bottom?
6.
12.
12, there we go. Can that go any farther?
No.
Nope, that's it, right there.
You don't have to do it right now.
Okay, we'll get to this last one here in just a little bit. Okay, she passed out whiteboards to all of your tables. Everyone take a whiteboard and then listen for what's next, yes? Oh, okay. Carry that everywhere. You're always prepared. Everybody listen up real quick right here. Please, I know you have things to hold in your hand, but focus on me for just a second. Our expectations for these whiteboards, don't write anything yet. Our expectations for these whiteboards, they stay neat and clean, okay, because we want to keep using these. Don't doodle extra stuff. The closest to doodling that you'll get, Javion,
Is the butterfly.
focus, is the butterfly. Thank you, Arthur. Closest you will get to doodling is what, Brayden? Yeah, he wasn't even paying attention. Closest you'll get to doodling is the butterfly, okay? Don't doodle. Don't waste the markers. Keep them nice. Okay, we're going to put an example up on the board. I'm going to erase these two that we've already done. I'm going to leave that because we'll come back to it. Okay, shh. I'm going to write the problem up on the board. I want you to do it on your own whiteboard. Right now, we encourage you guys to work together, okay? If you have questions, ask the people beside you, ask the people at your group. We will be walking around. We are walking around to help you, okay? If you have a question or get stuck, tell us. We'll keep checking on you, okay? Notice the sign in the middle. We are adding this time. Notice the sign in the middle. Was that your butterfly?
Everybody's marker work okay?
Yeah.
Okay.
I got 2 ones, 2 offers, so you get extra ones.
Good.
Because my mind wouldn't play reading text that goes or different. How I do my own. I don't like that butterfly. It looks scratchy.
Wait, I mean, 5 is 5, right? And 1 and 5. Can 5 go into 42?
6 can.
Well, that's not helpful in this case, but you're right.
Is it plus or times?
Oh, look, you're on the line.
No, it's plus. So it was times. So I was wrong. It's gonna be 3 sleep. I don't. It was a conversation. It's Nick.
I've been sitting here asking.
No wings are like too small for the body. Off coming out.
Alright, who wants to show us on the board?
Oh my God.
Jada.
Yes.
They only take you because they like She knows it's true, that's why they tell me to shut up.
Okay, pause right there, Dana.
Pretty butterfly.
Yeah, your butterfly is beautiful. Explain to us what you did.
Oh,
So far.
I did 6 times 2, and then I did 7 times 1.
Okay, so we got 18 and 7.
Oh, and then I did 7 times 6 is 42.
Okay, keep going.
Okay.
Okay, so what'd you do last?
I added 18 plus 7,
Go on.
which is 25, and then the 42.
Can you do me a favor and put a little plus between the 18 and 7?
Oh, yeah.
You don't have to put that there, but guys, it's a friendly reminder. Whatever's right in the middle of your butterfly is going to go straight up on the antenna. Okay, that will remind you 18 plus 7 what you're doing up there. Great.
Nice job, Jada.
Well, that's what that's for. Why didn't that lady say that?
Go and erase your boards. You are getting a new problem now. Miss Lee's writing a new problem on the board.
Let me keep my butterfly.
No, I'll say that one for Billy. 3 over 4 minus 1 over 3. Notice we are subtracting this time. If you get stuck or have a question, raise your hand and we will come to you, or ask somebody at your group.
I didn't have
Okay, so what are we doing first?
Yeah.
Okay. Wait, what? Yep, there you go.
Don't you add it on too?
Do you add? What are we doing? Pull your sign up. What?
Nice job. Can I go any lower? You don't think going to the butterfly without it? No? Okay.
They should fly. Butterfly supply.
Okay, wait, how you doing? What's our first step? Take away, remember we always subtract. Minus, put times over there, everything else is equal. So, circle 4 and 1, what are we gonna do with those?
This stuff feels like the knife. I never said you were cheating.
That's the only subtraction, everything else is multiplying. So, that's the only subtraction up here later. Everything else is multiplying. Mm-hmm. So 4 times 1, that gets
It's not like you just broke off a piece of your pencil.
okay.
Unless it was the braid. That's what it sounds like. I like the sour ones that come in the store.
Oh my gosh, we already know. Oh, I thought you said that you
What
know.
about on the bottom?
Oh, okay, you wanna know how. This black thing right here.
Alright.